Test for cation, first group test, lead 2 plus ion. Preparation of original solution OS. For this, you need a dry test tube. In this, you have to add very small amount of inorganic compound. Now, you have to add small amount of water in order to dissolve the compound. Now add small amount of water and shake the test tube in order to dissolve it. You can even heat it if not soluble in cold water. Here you have to work hard in order to dissolve this compound as it's less soluble in water. Here I am adding some more water in order to dissolve the compound. Now shake it well. Here, after shaking, I am keeping this solution in water bath in order to dissolve the compound. Now you have to wait for few minutes and then you have to take out the solution and you can see that compound has been dissolved. This is known as original solution. First group test procedure. In this original solution, you have to add first group reagent, which is dilute hydrochloric acid. So on adding dilute HCl, you can see the formation of white precipitate which shows the presence of first group. So on adding excess of HCl, you can see the formation of PbCl2. Confirmatory test procedure. Now you have to add excess of hydrochloric acid and then you have to filter this solution. After filtering, you have to discard the filtrate and you have to extract out the precipitate. Now this precipitate you have to wash with cold water in order to remove all the impurities which is present in it. You can see here white precipitate. This precipitate have first group ion, so we have to analyze that. So extract the precipitate which is sticked on the filter paper and add into the test tube. Scratch it off and then take it into the test tube. So extract out all PPT, scratch it off and add it into the test tube. Now you have to dissolve this precipitate in water. So add sufficient amount of water in order to dissolve this PPT. I am adding few more water. After adding some more water, you have to heat this solution and then you have to divide hot solution into 2 equal half. So after a few minutes, you have to divide this hot solution into 2 equal half. In part 1, you have to add potassium iodide. So let's see the procedure. Take first part. In this you have to add 1 to 2 drop of potassium iodide and you can see the formation of yellow precipitate which shows the presence of lead ion. Chemical reaction involved in the test. In second part, you have to add potassium chromate. So take second part of the filtrate and then add few drops of potassium chromate. You can see the formation of yellow precipitate, which again shows the presence of lead ion. So these are the confirmatory tests of lead ion of the first group. Chemical reaction involved in potassium chromate test.